Uncertainty around trade talks between the US and China continues to weigh on the markets. Unwillingness of the White House to lift the tariffs on Chinese goods has raised concerns among currency and commodity traders. Oil has retreated from the early highs, and the ruble has opened the week with a moderate decline. Trade negotiations between the United States and China are moving along well. However, America is not yet ready to completely lift the existing tariffs on Chinese goods. According to Donald Trump, there had been incorrect reporting about the US willingness to abolish tariffs. He stressed that the United States will only make a deal with Beijing if it's beneficial for the country. Early today, market sentiment was largely negative. Traders tend to be risk-averse, which puts more pressure on the oil quotes. The oil price is reduced by more than 1%. Currently, the Brent oil is trading at $61.76 per barrel. Continuing protests in Hong Kong negatively affect the global markets. Amid this background, the data on reduced oil rigs in the US provided by Baker Hughes did not provide any significant support to the commodity. Meanwhile, traders keep an eye on the upcoming initial public offering of Saudi Aramco, which is due in December. Ahead of this event, the Saudis are trying to do everything possible to keep prices at a comfortable level. However, the future oil dynamics will be mainly determined by risk appetite and the outlook for rising oil demand. The prices are unlikely to go above the level of $60 a barrel in the long term. The ruble has almost no chances to get momentum, although the internal factors remain relatively stable for the currency. Last week, the dollar-ruble pair finished the trade at around 63.80. Today, the pair is heading towards the level of 64 or above. The nearest target is set at 65.50. However, it will depend on the increasing risk appetite among traders. Growing political tensions in Hong Kong are limiting the demand for risky assets. Since no significant macroeconomic news is expected today, the markets will be mainly influenced by geopolitical situation. That's all for now. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.